Oh, what a crowd, what a crowd. Hey, oh, you know, I got so tired of getting no respect at work. I got no respect at work at all. I don't even get respect at home from my wife. Oh, my wife, she's a beauty. Let me tell you about her. I told her I found a great way to make money online. First thing she says is, it's a scam. I tell you, she's a beaut. So now my automated system that makes me money around the clock. We'll be sitting there watching TV and my phone will ding, $900 sale, $900 sale, $900 sale. I look at her and I say, hey honey, oh this scam sucks so bad. By the way, how much do you make a day? Do you have to be at work to actually make money? Because I don't. So why don't you quit doubting me now and go burn some more soup? Ooh. So now how about you? Oh, you got a job you just can't stand walking into. You ready to ditch that 9 to 5? You ready to get out of that rat race? Would you like a blueprint you can follow step by step to build your online business? Get paid every day. Have more time to do what you want and live the life you want and finally get some respect. I tell you, I'm so glad I did. Oh, and what if I told you the Legacy Builders program is a complete business in a box? It comes with a completely built-for-you sales funnel. It comes with automated email already set up for you. Oh, and it comes with a pre-built website. Everything that you need to be successful online, make passive income, and change your life. I tell you what, I'm so glad I got into this. I'm finally on my way to getting some respect, I think. So, if you want to know more, if you want to join me, if you want some respect in your life finally, then all you have to do is like this video, share this video, save this video, and put yes in the comments, and I'll send you all the information you need to get started on your new life. Oh, I tell you.